Compliance basically is adherence to certain rules and policies. Some of them are regulatory and mandatory. Some of them are for business excellence. And CIOs, depending on which part they are, will worry about it. So if a CIO is on a regulatory body, he has issues regarding those compliance things. And if he's on making excellence out of business, he needs to comply to those parts. So there are worries of two different types. Primarily, compliance strict compliance is basically around certain rules which are really difficult for a CIO to execute. So there are issues that they face in terms of the budgets to be able to implement it, the processes, and the people to get it completely implemented. Besides this, vendors like us provide technology, but those technologies are useless if you cannot implement them and put people and processes together. Threats are there. Threat is not localized, it's global. As long as you're connected, there's a threat. However, the threats do vary, budgets do vary. The issue with India lately is there's been an infrastructure rollout. For the past few years, there's been a lot of money that's gone into infrastructure in terms of communication, in terms of putting the backbone together. Now, applications and security are coming into play. So all the money that's being spent today by the government in putting the infrastructure together, the next step is towards implementation of the applications that are going to run on that infrastructure, and also the security to protect that infrastructure. So there's a lot of money that will be spent on infrastructure and on security, but it's not localized. As I said, yes, it's a bit delayed in India. McAfee, mostly known as an antivirus company, a couple of years ago said our focus is going to be only in the space of security. And so AV was not the only thing that we needed to work on. And so we did a couple of acquisitions which would make security as a overall blanket for a corporate. And while doing it, we acquired point products along the way. And then we need to get them all together to form one single console. Compliance, we certainly realize that compliance authentication and identity management all together was a very important part of the years to come. Most companies did audits, which would be done once a quarter, once in 6 months, once in a year, to say that they're following certain processes, they're doing the right things. However, the day that they're audited, the next day, they could be out of compliance. So compliance is a continuous process, and it's not manual. It has to be something that's automated. So we started acquiring corporations and companies that could come together and make this an automated tool or a process. We still require people to do audits because it's the intellect that's required, but you require a process that's going to be continuous and monitoring it all the time.